of our heart words. Said, saw, say, what, they, look, was, with. Said, said. The AI in this word is making a short E sound, and we need to remember that by heart. Said. Saw. Saw. The AW is a part of the sound spelling patterns. AW makes a sound. Pretend that you're tired and you're yawning. Saw. Say. The AY is a part of the sound spelling patterns. AY makes that A sound. Just like in the other words like day, play, and way. This word is say. What? What? WH together is a digraph, and they make one sound. W. The A in this word makes a short U sound, and we just need to remember that by heart. What? They. They. TH is a digraph. TH together makes one sound. The EY is a part of the word we need to remember by heart. The EY is making an A sound. They. Look. Look. The double O in this word is a part of the sound spelling patterns. Double O makes an sound. Look. Was. Was. The A in this word is making a short U sound, and the S in this word is making a Z sound. Was. With. With. TH is a digraph and makes one sound. With. Alrighty, friends, it's your turn to read the heart words on your own. Remember, if I go too fast, pause the video to give yourself more time. Marty has done it again. What slide did you see Marty on? Look! Good job, friends!